Guys, let's explore the gym.
Tin-tararan! Uy! Ayan! Oh my gosh! Woo! What the?
I'll show you the Hermes chair and the Hermes door.
Love it.
So pretty. Wow, so fancy. Hey guys, so now we are at Tita Sarah's house and it's so pretty. Look at that. It has indoor pool, guys, and it has like there's Hermes throw pillows and Hermes chairs. I'll show you later. Hi. So pretty. Uy, nakapit ka rin. Oh my gosh! Aray.
What even is this? Like a giant peanut butter sandwich.
Thoughts about Tita Sarah's house?
It's incredible. It's huge. It has an indoor pool. That's amazing. I really, really want this house.
Guys, andito tayo ngayon sa farm. Ay, sige, sige, sige.
Maybe the vlogger today.
Wait lang, ano ba yun? Hindi ba ako kakagabi? Hindi niya. Ay, di ba?
You hold the ano,
Ay, dali mo lang. Tulungan mo.